Gold, as I shared yesterday, 1784 may provide a support, precisely getting the support from 1784, now trading at 1786. Likewise, silver has gone close to 2280, which is definitely a very strong support. So what to expect today? Can we expect a further drop, or are they going to rise? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and trade always with a stop loss and, if possible, a trailing stop loss. Let's start. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Now look at the hourly charts closely. Yesterday I told you that only buy position is above 1801. It went close to 1799 and failed to break past the same. Now look at the hourly chart. See, lower highs, higher lows. Yes, it is trying to consolidate a bit. So a good entry point today is above 1790. Beyond 1790 you can expect 1790 to 95 levels to provide a little resistance, and then 1800 levels to be seen. So till 1801 it has got good resistance on the upside, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss because it can reverse any point of time. So yes, you can buy at 1790 and then expect it to rise a little. Yes, you can consider this a breakout if it trades above 1788 also. Yes, you can buy for 1790, 92 and then 95 levels. At the same time, once again, I will recommend you to sell only at 1784. Below that, there is a possibility, because see, 1780 levels is a definitely very strong support here. And if it breaks past 1780, still 1774 levels will come into picture. Why that is important? You can see this multiple candles getting consolidated, getting the support in this zone a few, or you can say last week, and after consolidation we have seen a retracement. So if this is a reversal, it may continue to give you higher lows. It may consolidate here and again achieve higher highs. So that is my expectation. Now look at the direction movement, moderately bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. RSI is comfortable, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see, this is third red candle. However, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation phase. Any breakout above 1788, yes, you can buy, but then expect 1792, 1790, 92, 95 levels. Little, you can say every $2 there is a little resistance, and then on the upside 1800, 1801 zone, definitely a very strong resistance. Beyond that, you can see it flying high. Same 1784 you can sell, but then expect a little resistance on the downside at 82 and 80 levels. Now directional movement converging here, stochastic comfortable, the MACD comfortable, RSI flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour, now on the 3-hour chart, see, it has shown you higher lows. It is failing to break past 1788. Once it trades above 1788, or if this candle it closes above 1788, you can expect that possibly this is a reversal candle, and then possibly it may rise from here. Now it has to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. I will wait for this to happen. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. See, MACD is crossing over again for a sell entry. I will wait for this candle, how it behaves, which will decide the further direction. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour, now look at the 4-hour chart, see, strong resistance here, you can see, then a good breakout, and now again consolidating here. Only reversal confirmation is if it breaks past 1790, 92 zone, then you can again expect 95, 98, 1801, and beyond that a good reversal. Else, now only consideration which I am thinking here is, see, on the 4-hour charts I should not consider this as a head and shoulders here, but this appears to be so. However, it is skewed on the downside, as you can see this shoulder on the lower side. At the same time, you can see the consolidation here also on the further lower side. So this appears that it is trying to create a downward trending channel, but only reversal confirmation is if it trades above 1800 levels. You can consider that it is. But if you see the movement from here, now see, this formation and this formation almost are you can say almost are same, and but at higher levels. This was at 1770, this was at 1774. Now I will wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. So I will be definitely looking forward for it to break past 1800 levels. Then only I will consider that a little bit bullish here. Now see, the stochastic is at bottom, the MACD is again crossing over for sell, the RSI is flat, And look at the daily charts, as we saw in multiple analysis, that 20 period moving average line giving it a very good support. It is trying to trade above the 20 period moving average. Also, the breakdown on the downside is may appear to be strong if it tries to do so. Right now this is a bullish flag. You can see one strong bullish momentum, then this bullish channel, and now if either ways it gives a breakout, it is going to be strong on the upside, it is going to be strong on the downside also, it is going to be equally strong. I'll wait for it to see what it is. What it is trying to do is, this was the pole, this is the bullish flag, and now if it gives a breakout somewhere here, that will take it further highs. And on the same time, if it breaks down below 1740 levels, you can consider that as a bearish break. Now you can see the stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is also divergent and bearish here. It is looking downwards. We saw this earlier, that on the daily charts it has to probably look a little down. It is trying to do so, and the RSI is looking downwards too. So considering this, yes, you can sell today at 1784, but then expect 1782, 80 levels to provide very strong support there, and only if it breaks below 1780, you can expect 1777, 74, 70. Now below 1770, strong break should come, if not today, possibly tomorrow or day after. In this week we may see it trading till towards 1760, 1750 and 1740 are the targets. But remember, till the time it trades above 1740, do not consider gold as bearish. Only below 1740 you can expect that it is going to break heavily on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, above 1801 you can expect that it is going to rise, and then 1808, 1805, 1808, 1812, 1818, 24, then 3650 levels to be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. The silver on the hourly chart, see, this was the break for 2260. Now creating the base as 2300, 2280 zone, which is a very good support zone. And with that as base, it is trying to rise. So yes, it is trying to create possibly a bullish channel on this hourly charts. Once it breaks past 2320, consider this for a buy. Then you can again expect 2335, 2340 levels as the first resistance, then 2360 and 80 levels to be seen. Directional movement, bearish, yet trying to cross over for a buy. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI comfortable. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, see the multiple candles with higher lows, higher highs, and the support there at around 2390 levels, which is 2290 levels, which is good. 2285 then and 2280. Only below 2280 we can consider that as a bearish move. Also on the upside, if you see, 2320 and 2340 are the two resistance level. It has to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. So let's be watchful. So we have got couple of ranges here, $22.80 to $23 first, and on the upside 22.20 to 22, 23.20 to 22.340 levels. Now it has to break past either of the zones on the upside or downside for it to decide a direction. Direction movement here is bearish. Here it is trying to converge. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. Right now it is trading in red. The RSI is trying to look downwards because this is a red candle here. That is why it is curved down here. Let's see if it continues. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, this is definitely a good resistance at 2320 and then at 2340 levels. Yes, also if you look at, higher lows are seen, and with that as support, it is trying to reverse again. So possibly once we see it trading about 2320, 2325, 2335, 2340 as a good resistance, beyond that it is going to give you very strong breakout on the upside. Also if you see it trading below 2280, possibly below which you can expect further drop. So in between these 40 cents, let's observe more. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD is red, trying to converge here for a bullish move. RSI is trying to trade in green and show some strength here. Now look at the 4-hour chart. See, this is the reversal indication. After that, it is trying to trade in this channel, and possibility that highs at 2350, which is definitely a very good resistance. So beyond 2340 you can expect 2350, 2360 levels. In fact, for the day you can buy at 2325 levels or 2320 levels itself, then expect 2325, 2330, 2340, 50 is a very good resistance, then 2360. till 2360 you have to remain very cautious and alert, as this zone is very important for silver. If it breaks out, it is going to fly past $24 and then $25 also. On the downside, below 2280, yes, 2260, 40 and then $22. 22 is a very important support, as it is trying to trade. We have seen it multiple times in our previous analysis that silver tries to trade in a zone. Previously it traded at around 1820, then 2222 and now 2224. These $2 zone it is trying to trade, and this zone is very important for silver. So right now it is trying to confine its movement within this directional movement. Bearish trying to converge, stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts likewise taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Now this is trying to trade bullish here. You can clearly see after a single bullish candle, if this is trying to trade bullish, it is not yet dropped below the support lines here, hence you need to wait and watch a little. It can reverse also. Once it trades about 2320, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. So for the day you can buy at 2315 itself, expect 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. The little resistance is on the upside, and then 60. You have to trail your stop losses till 2360, because beyond that it is going to fly, and till then it can reverse any point of time, and hence buy at 2350, trail your stop loss on the upside. On the downside you can sell at 2290 levels itself. Below 2290, 85, 80 are the strong support zone. Then we may see it hitting 60 and 50 and 40 levels. 2250, 2240, till 2240 it has got good support. Then 2220 and $22 level to be seen. Hence buy at 2290, sell at 2290, buy at 2315 levels. For this 25 cents, do not trade silver. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, trade as per the levels. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.